LaTeX is a powerful typesetting system used for creating professional quality document, particularly in academic, scientific, and technical field. It is ideal for handling complex content like mathematical equations, tables, references, and figures. LaTeX use plain text files with command to format the document and ensures consistency and high quality output. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on LaTeX for scientific documentation. I am Dr. Meherchand, holding a PhD in mathematics and masters in computing with expertise in writing and AI tools for academic research and teaching. In this session, we will discuss how to install LaTeX and its applications in scientific documentation. To work with the LaTeX, we require two open source softwares. One is MiKTeX, a LaTeX distribution, and the another is editor like TeXmaker. MiKTeX is a free LaTeX distribution widely used for creating high quality academic and scientific document. It includes essential tools like LaTeX compiler, package manager, and TeXworks editor. MiKTeX is user friendly, offering on the fly packages installation, which automatically downloads the required LaTeX packages. It is cross platform, supporting Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux, and receives regular updates. MiKTeX is ideal for researchers, students, and professionals preparing theses, reports, or technical papers. And the other we have is LaTeX editor. LaTeX editor are specialized tool designed to help users write, edit, and compile LaTeX document, commonly used for creating professional quality academic and scientific document. These editors provide features like syntax highlighting, auto completion, and integrated PDF preview, making it easier to handle complex document structure. For example, we can include TeXstudio, Overleaf, Visual Studio Code, TeXmaker. They simply working with the LaTeX and they ensure high quality output. Here we are going to talking about how we can install the LaTeX, and for that first we need to install MiKTeX. Then we need to install one editor, and here we will use TeXmaker. You can see this is my desktop, and here you will search about MiKTeX, and when you will click on MiKTeX, enter. On the topmost you will find the official website link here. Click on it, and when you will go to download, click on the downloads. Here MiKTeX for all type of the operating systems like Windows, Mac, and then Linux, Docker, you can find here. Okay, I am using here Windows based operating system, so I need to click here to download this MiKTeX. Okay, so just I need to click on it, and you can see that after that you need to save the file in the download, but the file already exists in my system. That's why I need not required to download this file. I cancelled it. Next we need here TeXmaker, and when you will enter here TeXmaker and download, on the topmost you will find the official website link of TeXmaker. When you will click on it, you will find that there are several options are there, and TeXmaker is also available in Windows based Mac operating system, Linux. Okay, so and also if you need old versions are available here. I have Windows 10, so I would like to download this TeXmaker. Just you need to click on it. Okay, and then save the file. But you can see in my download TeXmaker already exists here, so I need not required it to download. I will cancel, but you need to save the file. Okay, I do cancel. After downloading successfully, we need to install basic MiKTeX 24.1. Double click on it, then select accept MiKTeX, do next, 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 and start. So this will take a few minutes in the installation, and you can see that the installation is in the progress. So wait until the installation is complete. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes in the installation, and you can see overall progress, and here all the packages are available. Extracting, install. So all the basic packages which are required are uploading, but it is not necessary that all the packages of LaTeX has been installed along with this basic MiKTeX. Only the basic packages will be available, but when you will use a different type of the template of the journals, and each journal has their own different package, so those packages are required to install. But the thing is that your system must be connected with the internet, only then the missing packages will installed automatically. And the installation of this basic MiKTeX is about to complete. Only few files are there to install. Yes, now you can see that the installation is complete. Now click on next, and then next, close it. So the basic MiKTeX has been installed in our system successfully. Close this one. Now we need to install TeXmaker, and this is the TeXmaker 6 window based 64. Okay, double click on it, then select install, do yes. The size of TeXmaker is small as compared to MiKTeX, so now you can finish it. So as soon as you will finish, this will launch. You can see this is the interface, and initially this will launch automatically, and if you want to pin on the bottom menu bar, you can right click on it and then pin to the taskbar. Okay, so this will appear like in this way. So first what you will do, we can take any file. Okay, go to the wizard, and from this place click on quick start, and from this place you will choose the article, and one side font size is 11 pt, paper size A4, and then you can enter here the title of the paper or the article which you want to write. Okay, so here the introduction about LaTeX and its applications. So this is the title for this my document. Then do OK. So when you will do, and you can see here some codes are there. Okay, we will discuss everything at this place, and the cursor where is moving, at this place you will enter the content between these two lines. So here the content will be here. Okay, and also you can see here the title is at the place, but we want to print this title, so you will use here one command /make title. Okay, this one. So before starting this file for execution, you need to save this file in single folder. So what I am doing, I want to save this file. How you can save? Go to here, file, then here is the option, or either you can use a shortcut key which is Ctrl+S. Okay, from this place you can save the file. So where you will save the file? Here, this is my desktop, and on the desktop there is no folder. I am creating here one folder, and folder name is LaTeX document. Okay, create this folder and then open the folder, save the file inside this folder. Okay, with the name LaTeX file for article. Okay, I give this name, save this file, and now you can execute. So from this place you can execute. The thing is, you must have PDF reader in your system, only then this will execute. And you can see that this is my first document after installation. So what problems you can face, we are discussing here. So in the first time it will take a few seconds to install, and it is asking about the packages. You can see that when you will start this TeXmaker in your system, and MiKTeX is also there in your system, but there are some more packages which are required for this file, and you need to install. just you need to click on install. This will install automatically, and your system must be connected with internet, only then this will install. And now you can see that on the right hand side, the file which we create at this place is published on the right hand side. And also when you will go to options, and here you have the configure. Okay, so sometimes if you need to manage the font size of the LaTeX software, and also you can have shortcut editor, quick build commands you can manage from this place. Okay, so here build in viewer embedded, this must be selected. If you will do unselect this one, okay, see, okay, so here only the code part is there. So if your system looks like in this way, okay, the TeXmaker window is in this way, so what you will do, you will go to option, then come here and select the build in viewer and embedded. These two options must be selected for PDF viewer. So alongside your code, you can see your output in your system. Okay, then okay, and you can see now these are the code, and on the right hand side you have the output file after building the file, and from this place you can increase or decrease the font size of the document. Okay, so I make it 100%. This is 100%, and from this place you can move, yes, in this way also. Okay, and brief introduction you can have on the left hand side. This is the structure, close, and at this place you can see there are all type of the arrows are there. If it is required for your document, you can use from this place all type of the symbols which are required mathematically, scientifically, all the symbols you can easily access from this place. Okay, so this is the basic introduction about the window of TeXmaker, and very user friendly. So in the next lecture we will cover every part how you can use, and also I let you know when you go to your current folder which is on your desktop. Okay, see here, this is the desktop. I will minimize everything. Yes, so here I created a folder. This is the folder. When I click on it, and here you can see that there are several files. So this is the main source file, LaTeX file for article. Okay, and this is the PDF file. So PDF editor must be in your system, only then you can open this file. Okay, you can see, and along with there are some more files, and all the other files are the only just a supporting file. So whenever you create any document by using LaTeX software, you must create first folder for your documentation, then you must use LaTeX software, so that all the files which are supporting or the output file in the PDF format must be in your single folder, and whenever you need, you can easily edit all these files. So this is the basic introduction how we can install the LaTeX software, as I have explained everything. In the coming series of the lectures, we will discuss all type of the issues which are related to LaTeX software, its use, how we can manage different type of the document, how we can write PPT, how we can use the template for different journals of Elsevier, Springer, IEEE, and their formatting, how we can write our own book format, how we can manage everything. Okay, so we will start from very basic introduction to the advanced level, and along with we will integrate AI for this creating different type of the document, and this will save you a lot of time. So thank you very much to see this lecture till the end, but don't forget to share with your friends, with your colleagues, and also you must subscribe my channel. Thank you.